Hello guys, welcome to YouTube engineering video. Today we'll be talking about multimeter. Yeah, as you can see in the video, this is a multimeter or a clamp meter. Yeah, this multimeter, it is used in measuring the voltage, current, the continuity of a diode, the resistance of an object, and so on. So this clamp meter make use of a 9 volt DC battery, as you can see, and it has what we call a probe. Yeah, these probes, this red and black cable you're seeing, they are called probes. Yeah, this probe, they are used to connect from the terminals of the multimeter to whatever object or parameter we are trying to measure. Yeah, so this red one I'm pointing, when you connect the probe to that, you'll be measuring the resistance and continuity of a diode. This black is called the common, also known as the neutral, while this one with V, also known as the voltage. So when we connect to that red, the first red, this thing, that's okay. Let me first of all talk about this. This is used to measure the current without making any contacts, or without making, is a contactless way of measuring the voltage, the current. Now I've plugged in this red probe to the voltage side, and the black also to the common, also known as neutral. So now when I put this on any live, I can measure the voltage flowing in that circuit. And also this is the knob. This knob is used to select the range of the parameter you want to measure. Right now it is on the as you can see the diode symbol, means this where I put it is used to measure the diode. And as you can see the symbol on the screen showing that this will be used to measure the continuity of a diode. Then this is the ohms, 200 ohms. This is used to measure the resistance of resistor of an heater or resistance in the circuit. Then the next one is 2000 ohms. Also, this is for measuring the higher resistance. Then the next one is for DC voltage. From the symbol, it's even written on the screen. See, that's moved to AC. Then this one is for current, ampere, 20 amp. Anything more than 20 amp, you move the knob to 200. If it is more than 200, you move it to 1000 amp. As you can see, the symbols are all showing on the screen of the multimeter. Some you see now, it's on diode, resistance, and so on. So that's just it for now, and next I'll be showing you how we can use this to measure the voltage, resistance, current, and all that.
Also, we can also measure the continuity of a line, maybe a cable, a diode, or something like that. All we have to do is just to put it on that continuity symbol. It is below the 200 ohms. You see the symbol here. So if you want to test for continuity, you just have to um, contact the two end of whatever you're checking. Example now, as I'm touching the two terminals together, there's supposed to be a beep sound, but the battery is low.
More music on trendybeats.com.
So now I'm going to use this as a cable and touch one end of it and the other end. So I'm going to assume this is a cable. So I'm supposed to hear a beep sound. It's supposed to go like this, ping, ping. But if the cable is broken inside or there's no continuity, there won't be any sound in it. So you're going to see it. I'm the only one making the video, so that's why it's kind of difficult for me holding my phone at the same time. I think you can see it's reading. So it's supposed to make a beep sound, but the battery is low. You can see the battery symbol showing that it's low. It's supposed to make a beep sound. So it's trying to make a beep sound, but the sound is not on. That's why it's indicating that battery low. So I'm going to use this cable to test for it. Example now, like this cable. If it is broken inside, if the cable is broken inside, means then there will be no sound, there will be no reading. But if it is working, it's going to read. So I'm touching what end of the cable. So I'm going to put the other terminal at the other end of the cable. So it's not reading and it's not making any beep sound.
More music on trendybeats.com.
See, it's not reading and it's not making any beep sound. That is because the cable is bad and it's probably broken inside, which means the voltage applied to one end is not flowing to the other end. The current, applied to one end is not. So now I'm going to test for voltage. I'm going to show you how to test for voltage. So now I've set it to AC voltage. So I connected it to a AC outlet. The voltage is 194 volts, as you can see. So I've switched it off and it's now reading 0. If I switch it on, read it again. Switch it on, it's now reading 193 volts. So that's how you measure the voltage, the potential difference in the circuit. So next we're going to measure the current flowing in a cable, in a live cable. So I'm going to select the range. I'm going to turn that knob now so the current plays and set it at 20 amp. Usually the current flowing in a cable maybe like 200 volts is usually not more than 20 amp. It's always between 9 amp to 15 16 amp. So, and like I said, we don't need cable to measure we don't need those probes to measure the currents using this particular type of meter, though there are other meters whereby we have to use the cable. So this is how we are going to measure the current.
As you can see, this is 11.9 amp. Let us measure the next one. By the way, those cables are connected to a 3-phase heater. The heater is connected using a delta connection, so that's why you see only 3 cables. If it is a star connection, it will be 4 cables. The last cable will be the neutral, but here there is no neutral. As you can see, the last one is 11 points. Let me put on the touch. 11.3 amp. So that is how we use this cable to measure the current flowing in a circuit or in a cable. So I think that is it for now, guys. That's all about this particular type of clamp meter and ammeter. So I want you guys to please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification button for more videos. Thank you. Oh, lastly, I forgot to talk about the resistance, how to measure the resistance in a circuit, or the resistance of an electrical component. So I'm going to turn the knob down to the resistance range. So when it is at, well, there's no resistor here. If not, I would have measured the resistance. There's no resistor here. But anyway, with this you can use it to measure heater, the resistance of the heater. In the resistance of a heater, you can get the power of that particular heater. I think that's what I'm going to do in my next video. How to measure the power of an electric heater by measuring the resistance and calculating it using V square all over R. That is 220 square all over the resistance of that heater. So you'll be able to get the power of that heater. In my next video, that's what I'm going to treat. That button I'm pressing is called hold. So whenever you measure a component, maybe a voltage, resistance, or the current, you just press that hold, so it will just stay at that value. So thank you, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel.